Dubai, a city that lives in the future, is the epitome of luxury and innovation. This is a place where the impossible becomes possible, where the world's tallest skyscrapers reach for the heavens, and man-made islands mimic the shape of a palm tree. Welcome to Dubai, a top travel destination known for its modern architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture. Dubai is a global hub for business and tourism. It's a city that thrives on ambition and progress, constantly outdoing itself with newer, bigger, and more spectacular attractions. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a foodie, a history buff, or a shopaholic, Dubai has something to offer everyone. But it's not all about the glitz and glamour. Dubai also holds a rich history and culture that dates back thousands of years, offering a stark contrast to its modern skyline. The city's climate is another reason why it's a sought-after winter getaway. With over 300 days of sunshine per year, Dubai offers an escape from the cold winter months. So, whether you're looking to relax on sun-soaked beaches or explore the vast desert landscapes, Dubai's climate is ideal for outdoor adventures. But Dubai is more than just a travel destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can witness the harmony of cultures from all around the world, creating a unique blend of traditions and customs. It's a city that never sleeps, with something happening at every corner, at every hour of the day. This video will serve as your ultimate travel guide to Dubai, helping you navigate its many wonders. We'll uncover the hidden gems, explore the iconic landmarks, indulge in the culinary delights, and immerse ourselves in the rich Emirati culture. Our journey will also help you plan your trip better. We'll delve into the best times to visit, the weather patterns, the costs associated with traveling to Dubai, and the must-do activities. So, whether it's your first time visiting or you're a seasoned traveler, this guide is designed to help you make the most of your time in this extraordinary city. So buckle up as we take you through a mesmerizing journey of Dubai. Dubai is home to some of the world's most breathtaking landmarks. Let's delve into the heart of this shimmering metropolis, beginning with the Burj Khalifa. This architectural marvel, soaring over 2,700 feet into the sky, is the tallest building in the world. Constructed over a span of 6 years, this titan of steel and glass isn't just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a beacon of Dubai's ambitious spirit. The Burj Khalifa offers an unparalleled experience with its observation decks on the 124th and 148th floors, providing a bird's-eye view of this city of gold. Remember to budget around $150 for a ticket to the top, but trust us, the view is worth every penny. Next, let's set sail to the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island that is a marvel of modern engineering. Shaped like a palm tree, this island is a residential and tourism hub, housing some of the most luxurious hotels and resorts in the world. The Palm Jumeirah took over 6 years to build, involving more than 1 billion cubic meters of sand and rock. The unique experiences it offers, from skydiving over its stunning aerial view to dining in underwater restaurants, make it a must-visit destination. The costs can vary, but generally, expect to shell out a few $100s to fully experience the Palm Jumeirah. Finally, let's step into the Dubai Mall. This isn't just a shopping center, it's a whole new world. With over 1,200 stores, it's the largest mall in the world by total area. Constructed over 4 years, the Dubai Mall is more than just a retail paradise. You could visit the Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo, skate in the Olympic-sized ice rink, or even watch a movie at one of the 22 screens. The cost of these experiences can range from $20 to $100, depending on your choice of entertainment. These iconic landmarks are the testament to Dubai's grandeur and are not to be missed. Dubai is a haven for foodies and shopaholics alike. This dynamic city is a melting pot of cultures, and nowhere is this more apparent than in its culinary scene. From high-end restaurants serving international cuisine to street food stalls offering local delicacies, there's something to satiate every palate. Imagine savoring a plate of shawarma, a Middle Eastern meat delicacy, or digging into a bowl of al-hariz, a traditional Emirati dish made from wheat and meat. And for those with a sweet tooth, the lukaimat, a local sweet dumpling, is a must-try. But the culinary experience doesn't end there. Dubai is also home to some of the world's most renowned chefs, bringing their unique flair and creativity to the city's dining scene. Whether you're looking for a gourmet experience or a cozy cafe, you'll find it here. On average, a meal at a mid-range restaurant will set you back around $30 to $50, while a meal at a high-end restaurant could cost upwards of $100. Dubai's shopping scene is just as diverse and exciting. From traditional souks, selling spices, textiles, and gold, to luxury malls housing the world's most exclusive brands, there's something for every shopper. The city's shopping scene is a mix of the old and the new, offering a unique shopping experience like no other. A day of shopping could cost anywhere from a few dollars at a local market to several thousand at a luxury mall. With its gastronomic delights and shopping opportunities, Dubai offers an experience like no other. Dubai's culture is a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity. As you traverse this city of dreams, you'll discover a fascinating mix of old and new, where skyscrapers stand tall next to ancient mosques and bustling souks thrive in the shadows of mega malls. The local Emirati culture is a treasure trove of rich traditions, from enchanting dances and soulful music to distinctive attire. The traditional dances like the ayala are a rhythmic spectacle, while the music, often featuring the enchanting sounds of the oud, a pear-shaped stringed instrument, will captivate your senses. And let's not forget the attire. The elegantly flowing abaya for women and the crisp white kandura for men are symbols of Emirati grace and pride. As you delve deeper into the city, you'll encounter cultural landmarks that are a testament to Dubai's artistic prowess. The Dubai Opera, an architectural masterpiece, is a hub for the performing arts, hosting a range of shows from ballet to stand-up comedy. And then there's the Al Fahidi Historic District, where the city's past comes alive in its narrow lanes, traditional wind towers, and heritage sites. Remember, as you immerse yourself in this cultural kaleidoscope, it's important to respect local customs and traditions. Modesty in attire and behavior goes a long way in showing your appreciation for the Emirati way of life. Immersing yourself in Dubai's rich culture is an integral part of the Dubai experience. So get ready to embrace the culture and let Dubai's unique blend of tradition and modernity sweep you off your feet. Knowing the best time to visit Dubai can enhance your travel experience. This city, nestled within a hot desert climate, can surprise you with its temperature variations. So, when you're planning your trip, consider the cooler months from November to March. During this time, the weather is much more comfortable, allowing you to explore the city's wonders without the intense heat. Also, it's the perfect time for outdoor activities like desert safaris or beach lounging. However, keep in mind that these are also the busiest months for tourism in Dubai, so be prepared for some crowds. But don't let that deter you. The vibrancy of the city during this peak season is part of its charm, making your experience all the more exciting. So, there you have it. The best time to visit Dubai is when the city is at its coolest and most lively. With this guide, you're now ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to Dubai, a city where dreams come to life.